Welcome back from my street Iacopelli. Look at this pizza, soft and crunchy at the same time. Guys, I'm super excited because take a look at this oven. This is a new generation pizza oven, Glowen Raptor. Recently, I did a review about this pizza oven with the gas option. But today, I'm excited because the pizza that come out, outstanding. So we are going to see a review about Glowen Raptor in a wood option only. So we're going to see the timing, how long it's gonna take to cook the pizza, how long it's gonna take to go in temperature, everything that you need if you are interested in this pizza oven. Here we are with this Glowen Raptor pizza oven. I got my peels there, I got my wood. Guys, you saw my last review and unboxing of this Glowen Raptor pizza oven, which worked amazing. And then I'm super surprised because it's an amazing oven, I have to say. But today, we are going to test, we are going to give a hard test with only wood. So let's move on, let's detach this gas option right there, and right away, ta-ta, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we got one more, I think that's it, there we go, the gas, it's out, we don't need this anymore, I'm sorry, bye-bye. If this will pass the try of Maestro Vito Iacopelli, we'll see this at the end. Oh, this is gonna be from the inside. And now let's add the wood option thing here. Ta-ta. Now let's go ahead, let's put the plate. This way we don't lose any temperature. And then we have the right pressure, because this oven, it's amazing because it got the pressure inside, because it's built properly. I have to say, it's built properly. Now let's add the fire thing here. And let's position everything inside here. Voila. Let's put the wood right there, just everywhere like that. Of course, we're gonna use smaller pieces, not too big. And now let's light up. Okay, I believe it's on. See the other side? Yes. Okay, it's on. The stone, it's cold, like you can see. I can put my hand. Okay, now that we put, hold on, we put the wood. I'm gonna see you guys in about 30 minutes to 40 minutes and see the bottom of the oven, how it is. Right after you smash the like, share this video, and subscribe. And Glowen, get ready for my review. Get ready for my other review. Yes. Okay, guys, the oven, it's ready. Literally 30 minutes. I tested with the gun here. And it's at 420. It's insane. The temperature went more up with just wood than the gas, so probably is gonna cook it better. But of course, guys, using only wood in this smaller oven, it's really difficult. Right now, I've been putting wood all the time. When the flame goes out, I put wood. But this oven is holding the temperature really well. So let's go ahead. Let's clean up the oven. Let's take off all the ashes, put it on one side. You're gonna make sure, you see, even they thought about everything, because see this little thing here, it's really good because it doesn't get the ash out and it doesn't go on top of the pizza. Okay, once everything is out, we bang a little bit, make sure there's nothing there. We don't wanna have, it's super important because these smaller ovens are really tough, because the space is too tight, but once you have it, you have it. Okay, boom. We have the space to put a 12 inches pizza there. And of course, guys, it's a little complicated using with wood only, but it's fun. So now we are ready to make the pizza. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a few pieces of wood on warming up right here before making the pizza, because we wanna cook the pizza with the proper flame. And this I'm gonna put back there. Very important to use these smaller pieces. So let's see, and when I finish, I'm gonna give a nice vote to this pizza oven. Okay, can I have the, okay, thank you so much. Here we go, we are using my own 70% pizza dough. Outstanding texture. This is basically the next level pizza dough. Boom, voila. I can't wait to see how this pizza will come out. Let's go ahead and let's stretch the dough. Like you can see, it's full of hair. Outstanding. Guys, you can check out my channel for for looking how to make this recipe. Actually, go ahead, please subscribe and share this video and all my videos. Voila, put it down. Should stretch good. We want to cook a perfect pizza on this one. Voila, perfect. So we're gonna put fresh homemade tomato, perfect. A classic pizza margherita, guys. A really hard test is made with a cheese pizza. Let's go add the fresh basil, boom, 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 voila, and fresh mozzarella. That's the last mozzarella, guys, so we have only one shot. I cannot make mistake on this. Voila, olive oil and the peel. Just grab the peel from Glowen. Check out my unboxing and review for all these tools. Voila, the link is gonna be in the description too. So let's go ahead and let's boom on top. All the wood on top. Little clean. There we go. Now let's go ahead and let's put the pizza in the oven. Now let's make it a little bigger. Ready? I'm not gonna edit the time. And 3, 2, 1. Make sure everything is on. Let's go with the pizza in the oven. Boom! Voila! Let's do this. Glowen, now it's me against you. Let's see. This pizza will become soft and crunchy in the same time. Go back in the pizza. It's cooking. It's cooking. Let's check out the bottom. Bottom back there is cooking. I see. So guys, what I noticed from this oven is nice because the flame is only on the left side, so that means that the flame goes around and cooks the pizza in a perfect way. Outstanding. So if you have the flame in the back, the flame goes out, you don't have any impression. Oh my god, guys, get ready with the camera. Please, Domenico, go on that side, don't stop, go on that side and fix everything with the camera. And come on me because the pizza is about to be ready. Ah, wow. Wow, I'm gonna put this there. Don't stop the camera there. So, wow, it cook even less. Wow, I have to say my own opinion when this pizza comes out. I mean, 3, 2, 1, stop the time. Boom, baby! How is it? How is it? Out of this world. Take a look, guys. It's soft and crunchy in the same time. But most importantly, let's see the bottom of this pizza. So, let's see. Ole! Perfect. 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 Did you got the bottom here? The whole pizza? Let's get it right there. Just to show you. Just to show you. I'm wasting up the pizza. Oh, get there the cheese. Take a look at this pizza. Take a look at this pizza. Okay, now it's time to see if this oven cooked properly. The pizza dough. I mean, of course, the pizza dough is amazing. I'm gonna tell you in a little bit which one was better. Guess or, I mean, take a look. It's perfect, soft and crunchy in the same time. Let's give it a little taste. The flavor is outstanding. Even the bottom of the pizza, it's nice and little crispy. You can see that it come out lovely. So, Glowen, get ready because I'm about to give a vote. Recently, I give you, with the gas option, I think I give you 8.2, I believe, or 8.9, something right there. Well, I mean, you can check out here the video. But today, Glowen Raptor, wood option only, I'll give a vote. I have to say, it was a little bit complicated to work for the space. Go ahead and put the wood, but that's all the oven is like this. I give you a nice 9.2 of this pizza oven out of the 10. Outstanding. Congratulations. Glowen Raptor, you catch my heart. So I'll see you soon with new videos. Thank you so much, guys. Go ahead, share this video, and I'll see you at the next one. Ciao! I almost forgot, guys. How do you clean this pizza oven? You're gonna say, oh wait, Vito is left. No, I didn't left. So I'm going to let you know how to clean up this pizza oven. So guys, so when you're using only wood, basically, easily, you need to leave the pizza oven like that. Tomorrow or after tomorrow, when it's super cold, you are going to, I like to use a vacuum that I have outside. I put the vacuum and take everything out. Or, if it's not, you take off the grill from there easily and you throw the ash out and you can use gas and wood again. And just leave it like that. Don't put water or anything. You can just wipe it down on the top when it's cold. Okay, now we're done. I'll see you the next one. Ciao.